I've got some great news. This course has been updated to be better than ever. I've listened to so many of you tell me that while you like the course, you don't like having to upload your speech, your presentation, your media interview to YouTube or some other video file sharing site and then cutting and pasting and putting that into the Udemy Q&A section. So I've made it easier for you. I've created a Facebook page that's just for my Udemy students. It's just for you. There's no sales going on. There's no promotions. It's just about your presentations, your homework, your questions. So click below the link. You can join, and there's never any charge. You'll automatically be accepted. And that way, if you want to, you can post videos, your homework right there with one click. You can just hold your cell phone, speak, one click, and it's right there on the Udemy homework page. Now, if for some reason you don't like Facebook, and believe me, I know plenty of you, and it's understandable, you don't have to join Facebook. I'm not coercing anyone. You can continue to post your videos right here in the Q&A section of this course, and there's absolutely no problem. So either way, the choice is yours, but check out the link below.